What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Taylor. If you read the title of the video, you already know what's going on. We are going to start off with a little cold start video. Everybody has been asking for a cold start or like the exhaust sound of the Syclone. So I figured I'll give it to you guys. It might be a little underwhelming because it doesn't really have much for an exhaust on it. I think it just has like, you know what? I'm not even gonna say because I have no idea what it has, but it's quiet. So I'm going to start the Syclone, let it warm up, and we are going to move the Fusions. Also, I made an impulse purchase yesterday and I bought this. I walked into TJ Maxx, saw it sitting up front, and absolutely had to have it. Look at how cute it is. It's literally just like a cooler, but had to have it. So that was fun. Here's a Shelby wrapped in plastic because the pollen has been horrible. So let's start this. That wasn't long. Go grab my sunglasses, make sure the doors are locked, and the suction cup mount to put on the windshield. So we don't have that much going on today. Brendan is at a bike tournament in Atlanta. I have been bored all weekend trying to figure out stuff to do. Oh, gotta move the seat forward. Hold on. Trying to figure out stuff to keep me busy. So far, I have wrapped my mini toolbox purple. Insert photo here. I have cleaned the house. I will not insert photo. I did my hair. Like, it was getting a little raggedy looking, so we freshened it up a little bit. Played Fallout. So we are going to take the Syclone and go to Walmart. Because I went to Walmart last weekend because Brendan also left me alone last weekend. Walmart last weekend and I scored 5 cool Hot Wheels. So I'm gonna see if I can find any cool ones. But also I have decided that I'm going to tint the fog lights on my Mustang because so American Muscle sent me those fog lights and they looked really cool. But I made a video of them and I thought they kind of stood out on the bumper quite a bit. I made a video of them and I put it on TikTok and somebody was like, those look like googly eyes. And I'm like, you're right. I can't unsee that. So I'm going to darken them up a little bit because I don't really use my fog lights so they don't stand out so much. I haven't done a long form video on YouTube in quite a while. I apologize for that, guys, if you like seeing them. So here is my one for, I don't know how long it's been since I did one. I don't trust people. I also thought that I would kind of make somewhat of an announcement. It's not really an announcement, it's just, Brendan and I are going to Mustang Week in Myrtle Beach this year. We already got our Airbnb, all of that stuff. We just haven't decided what car we're gonna take. If we take the Shelby, he would tow it there. We would need to get an aluminum car trailer, and I don't know how much he really wants to tow that with the Trackhawk, which it would be a pretty sick setup. But, and then if we take, oh great, the mailman. I thought the mail didn't deliver on Sundays. And then if we take my car, I don't care, I'm driving it there. Like, it doesn't matter. My car is extremely comfortable, heated cool seats, air conditioning, all that stuff. The only thing I'm worried about is putting that many miles on my drag pack. It's really just the front skinnies. But if we, more than likely, I think we're gonna take my car. So if Mustang Week is something that you go to, or something that you like going to, or if you're thinking about going to in September, you'll see my car there. More than likely. I think it's like a 90% chance that we're taking my car and not his, because he had said that he was probably going to tow his Shelby there, and I said, well, it'd be cool to have both the cars there. It's really up in the air, but one of the Mustangs is going to be there. Should just show up in the Syclone. Road trip. But those are our plans for September. What other updates are there? We went to Morrisville Cars and Coffee last weekend. No, not last weekend. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, last weekend, last Saturday morning. Took my car there. It was a big hit. I think it was a hit for all the people that I saw talk about it. Everybody loved it, bumper dump, all that stuff. So that was cool. That's one of the biggest Cars and Coffee meets that I've ever gone to. Gets a little warm in here. So it's kind of a cool experience. It fills up like 4 or 5 parking lots. So there's a lot of cars, and everyone keeps saying that it keeps getting bigger. So that was a cool experience. Other than that, what other updates? My car is back on ethanol. I say ethanol because the E that we're using here hasn't quite tested super high. Brennan reached out to Rob, because my car is shoemaker tuned, and basically just confirmed it was okay to put like the stations test at like E70 to like E75. Just confirmed, like, hey, you've got it tuned for base ethanol. Just basically, we won't turn the boost up. And Rob was like, yeah, no, that's fine. You can put that in your car, but exactly what you said, don't turn the boost up. So currently it is on E73, I think what the mix was, and 10 pounds of boost. And we took it out and it feels really fucking good. Sorry, YouTube, for cursing. I'll bleep that out. It feels really good for that. So I think the car is running better than it has in the entire time that I've owned it. And next month marks 4 years that I've owned that car. Also, in June, it turns 10, which is insane. I just ran 2 yellow lights. But I'm in a Syclone, so it's okay. Other than that, let's make it 3. What is up with that? I just keep nailing the lights. But I have to turn it this one, so it doesn't matter. It won't be 4. Oh, yesterday I went to the gym too. I went to the gym for like 2 hours because I didn't have anything else to do. It was quite peaceful. Very nice. Like a Picasso. Oh, damn it. I like to do things on Sunday morning if I need to go anywhere, because everybody goes to church here. So things aren't as busy. And it's 1:45, so everybody is out of church. Park way out here. That was aggressive. What the fuck? Dude. That's not supposed to do that. I didn't break it. It's doing just fine. Okay, it stopped doing that. I don't know what that was. That was scary. Brendan, please don't kill me. I didn't break your truck. It's just being weird. It's a 34-year-old pickup. Okay, let's go into Walmart. Also, I forgot to mention, so a couple weekends ago was my birthday, and we took the Syclone and my Mustang out to breakfast. Brendan and I lined up at a red light, and we both launched, and the Syclone beat my Mustang because I spun so bad. We were like dead even, but I was spinning. I still lost, but I let out because I was like, I'm not gonna get traction whatsoever. So a twin turbo Mustang lost to a Syclone. Write some news stories about it. All right, that wasn't as successful as I was hoping it would be. I would have recorded, but I didn't really care to. I found the spray tint stuff for the fog lights, but the Hot Wheels were my unsuccessful part, which is fine. I got 5 last week, so it's not like I really needed to bring home any more because we have a lot and we need to make a display board for them. It's hot in here. So there was a really cool DeLorean though. I'm not really a DeLorean person, so, but what was the other one? There was another one. There was a different color plaid. I have the white plaid. And then everything else, the cool ones, I had already gotten last weekend. It nicely went into park that time. That is the second time that I've almost fallen down the stairs today. Stairs are not my friend. I will drop my phone if I angle it down anymore. Oh, okay. I feel like I say this before I do anything on my car. Someone's gonna yell at me for this. I am not taking the front bumper off and I'm not taking the fog lights out. I'm simply going to cover everything, tape it off, and paint them on the car. Because I really don't want to spend 30 minutes. It's gonna take me more than 30 minutes. I don't want to spend like 45 minutes doing all of that when I can just plastic it off, tape it off, and spray paint it while it's still in the car. It's easy enough. I just realized I wasn't recording that entire process. Totally thought I was. Failure on my part. Brendan has this handy dandy painter's plastic just taped all around the fog lights, shoved tape in the middle because they're through. There's not like a back to the fog lights. So now I'm just going to prep them and then we will paint them. Removing the lens from your vehicle is recommended for ease of application. If you cannot remove the lens from your vehicle, mask adjoining areas to protect from spray mist. And now we wait and take an energy drink break. Hopefully I don't wear most of it this time. I made one and then I found one that's cooler. A Pip-Boy background for, or a Pip-Boy watch face for my Apple Watch, and it's interactive, so the guy walks, you probably can't see this. It's pretty sick. I like it. Picasso. I think I'm only going to do 2 coats because this looks pretty dark already. See, the trick with runs is you just make the whole thing a run so that there's not a drip. It's just all a run. And then it looks normal. Because it all looks like that. Brendan, please don't yell at me. Ta-ta! Now we wait. Which is going to be a while for me, but for you guys, it's gonna be. And that's all she wrote. We are finished. And that's all that I had to do today. So, very boring video. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, maybe share with your family. I don't know, maybe your dad wants to watch this video.